Far too many people these days wrestle with stubborn grime, greasy kitchens, and stained upholstery without realizing that they are fighting a losing battle with traditional cleaners and elbow grease alone. Dealing with caked-on dirt in grout lines, mysterious stains on the sofa, or the sticky film that seems to coat every surface in the bathroom is more than just frustrating. It's a constant chore that eats up your weekends and never seems to deliver truly deep, sanitized results. Upgrading your cleaning arsenal with a powerful steam cleaner will transform your approach to household hygiene in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best steam cleaners go far beyond simple wiping and spraying. They harness the natural power of high-temperature steam to blast away dirt, grease, and bacteria without a single drop of harsh chemicals, leaving your home not just clean, but genuinely sanitized. And we have the top 5 options, from handheld spot cleaners to full-sized multi-surface systems, ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get into the top 5 steam cleaners you can get right now on Amazon. Music fades in. We begin with a compact and incredibly versatile tool, perfect for quick, targeted cleaning tasks. The BISSELL Steam Shot OmniReach Handheld Portable Steam Cleaner. We'll kick things off in the portable and practical domain with this lightweight yet powerful device from a trusted cleaning brand. The Steam Shot is designed for precision, featuring an extended reach nozzle and a variety of attachments that let you tackle everything from shower tile and grout to kitchen appliance crevices and window tracks. It heats up in under a minute and delivers a focused jet of steam that loosens dirt and kills germs on contact. Its compact size makes it easy to store and ideal for spot cleaning jobs where dragging out a larger machine isn't practical. For the homeowner who wants a chemical-free way to sanitize bathrooms, refresh fabric, or degrease stovetops without the bulk, the BISSELL Steam Shot offers outstanding convenience and effectiveness in a simple, user-friendly package. Next, we have a feature-rich portable steamer designed for more extended and varied cleaning sessions. The Gautye Steam Cleaner with 15 accessories. This model steps up the versatility with a larger 1.6 9-quart water tank and a cleverly designed 3-level adjustable handle that can be configured for floor cleaning, mid-height surfaces, or compact storage. It heats up in just 15 seconds and comes with a comprehensive kit of 15 attachments, including brushes, scrapers, and fabric steamers, making it a true all-in-one system. Whether you need to deep clean grout lines, refresh upholstery, remove stickers from glass, or detail your car's interior, this gaudy steamer has a tool for the job. The combination of rapid heat up, a sizable tank for longer runtime, and an extensive accessory set makes it an exceptional value for anyone looking to tackle a wide range of cleaning challenges around the house, garage, and vehicle with one powerful chemical-free tool. Moving into the realm of pressurized cleaning power, we have the Pressurized Handheld Multi-Surface Steam Cleaner with 12 accessories. This unit distinguishes itself with a pressurized steam system that delivers a more forceful, consistent blast of steam, which is particularly effective on tougher, baked-on messes, like grease in ovens or soap scum in showers. The pressure helps the steam penetrate deeper for a more thorough clean. It includes 12 practical attachments, such as a squeegee for windows, an angled brush for corners, and a fabric steamer for curtains and clothing. Its handheld design remains portable, but the pressurized output gives it the muscle of a larger machine. For those dealing with heavy-duty cleaning tasks, stubborn mineral deposits, or anyone who wants the most powerful scrub-free cleaning action from a portable device, this pressurized steamer is a robust and highly effective solution. Now, let's shift from pure steam to a specialized hybrid machine for deep fabric cleaning, the BISSELL Little Green Mini Portable Deep Cleaner. While not a traditional steamer, this compact powerhouse uses hot water and cleaning formula extraction to tackle the toughest stains on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. It features BISSELL's proprietary Hydro Rinse self-cleaning tool, which makes post-cleaning maintenance much easier, and includes a 4-inch tough stain tool for concentrated spot treatment. You fill it with hot water and BISSELL's cleaning solution, and it sprays, scrubs, and suction dries fabrics in one motion. For pet owners, parents, or anyone who regularly deals with spills, muddy footprints, or set-in stains on furniture and car seats, the Little Green is an indispensable professional-grade tool that restores fabrics beautifully, making it a must-have for targeted wet cleaning tasks. And finally, our top pick for a comprehensive, professional-level cleaning system, the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. This is the workhorse of the lineup, built for serious whole-home cleaning marathons. It features a large capacity canister that provides up to 2 hours of continuous steam on a single fill, eliminating the need for constant refills. It comes with a staggering 23 accessories, including a mop head for floors, various brushes for every surface, and detailing tools for cars and furniture. The high-temperature, dry steam it produces is powerful enough to strip wallpaper, deep clean tile and grout, sanitize mattresses, and degrease engines, all without chemicals. For the dedicated homeowner, DIY enthusiast, or anyone who wants a single, incredibly versatile machine capable of handling virtually any cleaning, sanitizing, or detailing job in the house, garage, or workshop, the McCulloch MC1385 is an industrial-grade tool that delivers unmatched power, runtime, and versatility. From the quick and handy BISSELL steam shot to the accessory-loaded Gautye, the powerful pressurized handheld unit, the fabric-saving Little Green, and the mighty McCulloch canister, these 5 cleaners offer a chemical-free path to a genuinely sanitized home. Stop scrubbing and start steaming. Check the links in the description for the best prices on these top-rated machines and reclaim your weekends from endless cleaning.